Okay, here's another little short video about CorelDraw and doing a tracing. As you can see here, I've got this picture I got off the internet. It's a bridge, and it's black and white. You can see it's jaggy, so I want to make it into a vector file. I'm going to show you one of the problems you have sometimes. So I'm going to select it, click on it and select it. Come up here to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace. I'm going to make a line art out of it this time. Most of the time I do clip art, and either one will probably work. Let's do line art this time. I like to zoom in on this thing so I can see it a little bit better. Don't like the white in here all the way, so I'll go over here to background color, and then color from entire image. Takes the white out. I go and zoom in a little bit. I don't like the detail it's showing me on the bottom here, so I'm going to raise it to 100% up here in detail. Okay, it looks a little better, but look at these little lines showing up here. You see that line there? There's another line there. There's like 4 of them. And there's some more over here. It might be a little difficult to see. Let me zoom in. There's 2 there. There's 1 there. And you zoom all the way up to this little corner. Now I know why that's doing it, and it can be fixed before you do the tracing, but it's just, I'll show you how to do it in case you can't figure it out. So here it is. You see them all coming from the corner up here. So let's go ahead and that looks pretty good. So let's leave it like that. Hit OK. And then we're back to the CorelDraw screen. Well, the top one, as you know, is, you see those lines showing up when I move it over? So I'm just going to move it over there a little ways, and then I'm going to, this is our original. I'm going to move it out of the way. Bring this back. Okay. Well, now you can't see them, so you don't know what's going on. Well, if you go to, so let's go to Object and Group and Ungroup All. They still didn't show up. So let's go up here to Object, I'm sorry, View and Wireframe. There they are. You can see them all running through there. Hey, we don't want that. That's not going to help us out at all. But luckily, they're all separate as a different group. When I degrouped them all ago, all of them, you can go in here and you can select it, hit delete. Just keep selecting them and hit delete until they're all gone. Three more. And they're all gone. That's as easy as it is. Let's go back to View and go to Enhanced. I'm going to select them all, everything, and I'm going to regroup it all. Object, Group, and Group. And there you have it. Yeah, you know, you can clean all this up if you want, but the main thing I was showing was all those lines in there. That way to get rid of them, because they will mess you up since you can't see them until you hit View and Wireframe. Then you can see them. So anyway, that's all I got for you now. Please like, subscribe, share, and give me some feedback, please. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.